Hi guys, and welcome to day one of Holiday Hustle. These are going to be quick 5-minute core routines for you to implement throughout your day so that as we get through this season together and we finish out our year, you can get a solid workout in as well. So lay out your mat. Feel free to do this not on a mat, wherever you have space. And each day I'll release a new video for you, okay? There's not much intro, it's go, go, go. And if there's things that you can't follow along or don't know what to do, maybe watch first, then do the class, or feel free to go back to some of my other core videos and check those out as well. All right, guys, we got 5 minutes on the clock in 3, 2, 1. We start in high plank today. Now, I'm assuming that most of you move and generally work out or, have in the past. So the goal of this is not just to crush you and for it to be ridiculously too challenging, but it's for me to hopefully give you a chance to use your body for 5 minutes of core work that might be paired with another form of movement, or listen, you got 5 minutes. Let's do this, okay? 3, 2, 1. Start to move your knees to the opposite elbows. Good. Pull that knee under the body, add a twist here. Good. Side to side movement. So starting to work into the obliques, those diagonal muscles in our core. We're here for 8, 7, 6, 5. Remember, it's only 5 minutes. 4, 3, 2, 1 more each side. Good job. Exhale, lower the knees. Quick flip onto your back for me. Place your hands behind your head. Elbows wide to the sides, 1 minute down. Crunch, crunch. Good. Preparing that core for a little bit more creative movement right now. Just trying to get those shoulder blades off the ground with me, okay? 8, 7, 6, feel that work. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale, hold here, reach forward, reach out and around and out. Good. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale, extend your legs in the air. Place your hands underneath your low back, lower down slowly, open the feet, close the feet, scissor, 4, 3, 2, 1, squeeze, bring the legs back up, 4 more, lower down slowly, open, close, 4, 3, 2, 1, bring it back up, 3 more, it gets a little harder, right? Lower down, open, close, 4, 3, 2, 1, squeeze, reach your legs back up. Last 2, lower down slowly. Good. Open, close. 4, 3, 2, 1, squeeze, bring it up. 1 more time, lower those legs down for me, please. Open, close, 4, 3, 2, 1, squeeze. Bring it up, 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 up. Good. Hands stay, reverse that crunch. Good. Push your butt up into the air for me. We're coming down to our last 2 minutes of work. Guess what? Make it 10 minutes. Repeat the video. 8, 7, 6, 5. Come on, core. 4, 3, 2. Opposite hand of foot. We reach across and up and across and up. Good. Give me 8, 7, 6. Reach for that pinky toe. You've got this. 4, 3, 2, 1. Rock it on up. Hold that boat. Strong, strong, strong. Chest is up. Reach your arms forward for me. About 90 seconds left on the clock. Stay here. Good. Now small pulse in, in, in. Modify with your hands on the ground if needed. Otherwise, keep them forward. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Beautiful. Flip, flip where we started. All right. Hands and knees. 1, 2, 3. Pick up your knees for me. Hold. 10, 9, 8. They're hovering right above the ground in what we call a bear crawl hold. 4, 3, 2. Tap your knees down. Good. Forearms to the mat. Slide your toes back. Forearm plank for the first time today. We tap our knees once. We drop our hips to the right. We drop our hips to the left. We tap our knees twice. 1, 2. We go right. We go left. 3 times. Ready? 3, 2, 1. We go right. We go left. We're going to 5, 4, 3. Come on. 2, 1. We go right. We go left. Last time here. 5, 4, 3. Don't go faster than me. 2, 1. We drop our hips right. We drop our hips left. Hold that forearm plank. 3, 2. Good job. Exhale. Press up. High plank. 10 seconds right here. Good. Hold it. Finish here. 8, 7. Twist with me. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Whew. And you made it through day 1, guys. See you tomorrow for day 2. Way to work.